Have you ever wondered, what if you could take the awesome sound that comes out of a Bowers & Wilkins loudspeaker, especially like the 800s, the 700 series, all those greats, and then what if you put a really crazy twist on it and you got most of that into a soundbar? Yeah, this is the Panorama 3, and it is here to right many a soundbar wrongs and sing new life into your songs. Before we get into all this great awesomeness that is the Panorama 3, make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel, and don't forget the question of the day, which is, what is your favorite soundbar I've covered thus far, and do you think this will beat it? As you all know by now, tech evolves so fast, and Bowers & Wilkins is catching back up with this product. This has almost everything. It has integrated streaming. It has Dolby ATMOS for movie playback with the whole up-firing driver array and everything. For real. It's not just processing, no, it's there. And a great 3-channel experience up front. But here's the thing. Here's the secret sauce. Here's the real feature of this product. This is a Bowers & Wilkins. You know that stands for the gold standard, if you will, in hi-fi. And this is such a successful product throughout its many generations that the name sticks. There was a 1, there was a 2, and now there's a 3, and you know what they say, third time is the charm. This just finally brings us the level of connectivity that years ago we dreamed about, but now, in this day and age, those things are possible, and hence, the Panorama 3. But this is a soundbar, and soundbars generally cater more toward the TV watcher, maybe even the movie watcher, than they do the music listener. The good thing about the Panorama, though, is that Bowers has plenty of experience in the theater/multi-channel side of things, too. This is not just a stereo product. And on their high end, they don't just make stereo products. No, they make 800 Diamond Series theater products, too. What I'm getting at with this is that it doesn't matter what your format is. Bowers is one of the best at it, and they've put that on full display in this product. 3 channels up front. Multiple drivers breaking up those frequencies, dedicated tweeters and woofers, and then 2 upward firing drivers on each side here. Yeah, not 1, 2, like a proper speaker should be at least. And all of that coming together if you're trying to watch a movie. Outside of putting together a really big system like an 800 or 700 series theater, you're still getting a respectable amount of that experience and something barely taller than a TV stand itself. Because look at it. What's the height of this thing? I can tell you it is just a smidge over 2.5 inches. And I've already played with this product and heard it and tried a few different songs and different content on it. The quality that comes out of this doesn't sound like it should be coming out of anything that small. But this is Bowers & Wilkins we're talking about, just as much of an engineering and transducer company as they are an assembler of speakers. They've got this product worked out to the nines, and you can close your eyes and listen to it and be completely fooled. But on that note, rather than me just sitting here talking about it, let's go see it in action. All right, everybody, welcome to the Loft. This is a great room in the Timonium showroom that allows us to show off a perfect soundbar integration with an awesome TV to go with it. Here, I want to show you something really cool. Watch this. Wave my hand over to the top and all your controls just light up. How cool is that? Notice how simple that layout is too. The thing about the Panorama 3 is that not only can this just sit on top of a nice cabinet like this BDI here and boom, you're done, but this has got to have one of the best wall mounting solutions I've ever seen because it's just so easy. This is the included mount. It's really simple and really lightweight. You're going to fasten it to the wall at 6 different points using these screw holes. And then on the back of the soundbar, notice these little pegs that you can pull out? Those are where you insert the wall mount arms. And the bar just slides right onto these and sits suspended on these bars. That's it. That's the easiest soundbar wall mount I think I've ever seen. And you get it included with the Panorama. So Bowers & Wilkins is trying to make your life as easy as possible. And setting it up in this area was just wicked easy. We connected power and an HDMI cable for TV audio use. But you do have other options. You have legacy optical in case you don't have an HDMI ARC out on your TV, audio return channel. And that optical is just as easy to connect as an HDMI cable as well. You can do one, you can do the other. Your TV will have one of those options. That's it. So check it out. Here's the Bowers and Wilkins app, and I'm just going to show you with a little screen grab here how well this actually works. You can see stuff that was recently played right here, some playlists put together by Bowers themselves. If I scroll down here, you can see I'm currently connected to both TuneIn and Deezer right now, but you can add more services. And then for anything that's not here, just use AirPlay 2, because it's that easy and it's just as good. Down here, we can see different music playlists, albums, songs, and artists that we've cataloged, podcasts that we want to add. This is all stuff in a library that we want to put together. And here's the Panorama 3, of course, sitting right next to me. If I go into that, I can just modify a few things. Now check this out. Bass and treble trim. What input are we using? We're using HDMI. Are we using the optical in? And then we can rename what those sources are. How cool is that? You can even add Amazon Alexa, do a factory reset, or ask it to do a restart, maybe if you're having a connectivity issue. So really, you've got a lot of options here. And you can use all of this if you want to, and none of it if you don't. Because things like AirPlay and Spotify Connect are that easy. So for $1,000, you can pick up this product, this most unique product in this category, at Sky by Gramophone. You can check out securely. You can have it shipped fast and free straight to your door. And I think it's one of the best options, if not the best, floating right around that mark, period. And of course, stop by one of the showrooms, Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg. We've got tons of Bowers stuff. No matter what you're looking for, we'd love to demo it all for you. Come hear it if you can. You deserve to know what you're getting. And while you're filling up your home with great electronics like this, be sure to stop by the Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, and they'll completely renovate your home while you're at it with some of the most beautiful designs that I promise you've never seen. Please like this video if you had a good time. I know I did. Soundbar I could really get excited about. That was fun. Down in the comments, talk to me, tell me what you want to see us review. Don't forget the question of the day. And of course, thank you for watching. Be seeing you.